So good day everyone. For today's week activity, we are assigned to make 3 web pages and I am assigned to the login dashboard. So first, I created a folder named SIA Pipeline, and then after which I added a folder named docs and then a file named index.html since it's the login dashboard. And then afterwards, I put the code there, and afterwards I changed the directory into SIA2 pipeline. Yeah, after saving my codes, I add all, so git add that, and then I commit git commit -m, and then I put a comment there which is the login. And then afterwards, after committing, I git push origin. So in that way, it will be pushed on our Scrum Master. And it's done.
Now for the admin dashboard, I create a folder and open it, then put my HTML code in the new terminal. I input git clone and copy and paste the link of our GitHub invitation. Then I change the directory into SIA2 pipeline. Since this is not my VS Code, I config my username and email. Add, commit, and then push, and it's done. Now for the third web page, I accepted the invitation from our GitHub Scrum Master. Then create a new folder. Then open the folder in the VS Code. Add your HTML and follow the same steps.
As the Scrum Master, I check their work and it's all done. I check the actions and it is already deployed. When I click the link, their work is already deployed in the pipeline and it's working.
and it's done.